In this video, I'll guide you through how to change Roblox password. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. First, let me show you how you can forget Roblox password. First, you need to come to the Roblox website and then click on login. Then you'll come to this page. Now you need to click on forget password or username. To recover your password on Roblox account, you need to type your email address and click on submit button. Then Roblox will send you verification code on your mail. After click on the verification button from your mail, you will come to this page. Now type your new password and confirm the new password and click on submit. By following this easy tutorial, you can easily forget Roblox password. But if you want to change your Roblox password, then click on the settings icon and then click on settings. Now click on this edit icon beside password and type your current password and then type the new password and confirm the new password and click on update button. By following this easy 2 method, you can easily change password or forget your Roblox password.